Hi, this is Sharik, and you are watching Few Minutes Accounting. Students having no accounting background have too much problems to understand accounting. For them, suppose accounting is a language in which you need to learn few words meanings to get accounting. Accounting is just calculation. For getting accounting, students must know about its pillars or heads. There are five heads of accounts: assets, capital, liability, revenue, and expenses. Assets means everything owned or used by a business. Capital means investment, transfer of ownership from owner to business. And then liability means obligations, amount in business belongs to others which have to pay back them. Revenue means income which received by providing services or product. Expenses, cost bear by business to generate revenue. This cost. Debit means left, and credit means right. Debit and credit are the names of accounting sites. Transactions, events occur in business. Example: purchasing, selling, investing, or paying expenditures or loan, etc. For more learning, subscribe Few Minutes Accounting. Thanks for watching. Next video on debit and credit